Hello guys, this is Muhammad Abbas from Pakistan. Welcome to my channel Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. So our topic is adverb. Now I have already explained several adverbs in previous videos. The links of those videos are given in the description. If you haven't watched those videos, you can watch those videos from the descriptions. Today in this video I am going to explain another adverb which is even. Even, it is also an adverb. So now what is even, how to use it, where to use it, and what does it mean? I am going to explain in this video. So let's come to the topic. So here we are with adverb which is even. Now I want to use even with comparative adjective, right? Even plus comparative adjective. So now what is it? See, even is an adverb. According to grammar, it is an adverb, right? Because it is our topic for past few days. So even is an adverb. According to grammar, it is an adverb. See, when even is used with an adjective, whenever we use even with adjective, it means more. Then it means more. Then it means more. Whenever we use even with adjective, then it means more. Is this clear? See, even is used to emphasize the adjective which is in comparative form. It is used to it is used to emphasize, it is used to force, right? The adjective which is in comparative form. Which is in comparative form. We have three categories, right? Positive category, comparative category, and superlative category. This will be taught in next videos, inshallah. But here see just comparative form. Even is used to emphasize, emphasize means force. Is this clear? Force or emphatic the adjective which is in comparative form. Is this clear? See the example. After example you will come to know. Yesterday the temperature was 35 centigrade. Yesterday the temperature was 35 centigrade. This is one example, right? One sentence. See the another sentence. Today the temperature is 40 centigrade. Today the temperature is 40 centigrade. Now I want to compare the weather temperature. Now I want to compare the temperature together, right? I want to compare yesterday's temperature with today's temperature. So see, if I want to use even with comparison, right? If I want to compare something, then I have to use even. So see, yesterday was hot. Yesterday was hot. Today is even hotter. Today is even hotter. Now it is an adverb, right? And this is comparative adjective. This is comparative adjective. So I want to compare two weather conditions, right? Temperature. I want to compare them. As we said, even is used to emphasize the adjective which is in comparative form. Which is in comparative form. So now this is hotter. It is a comparative form, right? So I want to compare temperatures. Yesterday it was 35, today it is 40. So it is increased. Today it is much hotter than yesterday. But I want to say, I want to use even. If I want to use even, then I should say that yesterday was hot, today is even hotter. Today is even hotter. Is this clear, guys? See a second example. Ahmad says to Ali. Ahmad says to Ali that this room is big. This room is big. Ahmad says to Ali, this room is big. Now what he replies? Ali replies that, but that room is even bigger. Now they are comparing room, right? They are comparing room. This room is big, Ahmad says, and Ali replied him, or replies him that, but that room is even bigger. That room is even bigger. Now I used even. It is an adverb, right? I used even before comparative adjective. This is comparative adjective with us. Bigger, bigger, and the biggest. Is this clear, guys? So whenever you want to compare something, whenever you want to compare two things with each other, and then we have to go for even. There are a lot of ways to compare, two things or more than two things with each other. But in this structure, it is a kind of structure with us, even plus comparative adjective. Whenever we want to use comparative adjective after even, then this structure or this example should be applied. Is this clear? This room is big. but that room is even bigger. But that room is even bigger. Is this clear, guys? Now, if I want to explain it in Urdu, then how? See, even plus comparative adjective. कंपेरेटिव एडजेक्टिव का क्या मतलब है? कंपेरेटिव का मतलब है मुआवजा करना और किसी एक चीज से किसी और चीज के साथ मुकाबला करना, किसी एक चीज से किसी और चीज को मुकाबला करना। कैसे? इवन इज एन एडवर्ब। ग्रामर के लिहाज से ये एक एडवर्ब है। ग्रामर के लिहाज से ये एक एडवर्ब है। When even is used with an adjective, जब हम even को एडजेक्टिव के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो फिर इसका क्या मतलब है? It means more। फिर इसका मतलब है ज्यादा। More means ज्यादा। More का मतलब है ज्यादा, तो फिर इसका मतलब है ज्यादा। When even is used to emphasize the adjective which is in comparative form, even is used to emphasize। emphasize का मतलब है दबाव, दबाव देना। Even is used to emphasize the adjective, ये adjective पर दबाव डालता है। कैसे? Which is in comparative form, जो comparative form में है, मुआवजा और मुकाबले के शक्ल में है। ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल को देखिए। Yesterday the temperature was hot, और yesterday the temperature was 35 सेंटीग्रेड। कल मौसम का सेंटीग्रेड जो था वो 35 था। कल मौसम का टेम्परेचर 35 था। Today the temperature is 40 सेंटीग्रेड, और आज का टेम्परेचर जो है, मौसम का टेम्परेचर जो है वो 40 है। तो कौन सा वाला ज्यादा हुआ? आज का वाला जो है ये ज्यादा हुआ। तो अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं इन दोनों टेम्परेचर को और मौसम के टेम्परेचर जो है इनको आपस में मुआवजा करूँ और इन दोनों का मुकाबला करूँ कि कौन सा वाला बहुत गर्म था। तो देखिए, yesterday was hot, कल गर्म था, मौसम गर्म था। Today is even hotter, लेकिन आज उससे ज्यादा गर्म है। लेकिन आज उससे ज्यादा गर्म है। even means more, ज्यादा। even का मतलब है ज्यादा। तो फिर हमने यहाँ पर कंपेयर किया, मुआवजा किया, मुकाबला, एक दूसरे से मुकाबला किया। ठीक है, दूसरे एग्जांपल को देखिए। अहमद कहता है दिस रूम इज बिग। अहमद अली को कहता है ये रूम बड़ा है, ये रूम बड़ा है। लेकिन अली क्या जवाब देता है? अली की जवाब को देखिए, बट दैट रूम इज इवन बिगर। अहमद ने कहा कि ये कमरा जो है ये बड़ा है, लेकिन अली ने कहा कि वो रूम इससे भी बड़ा है, और रूम इससे भी बड़ा है। बट दैट रूम इज इवन बिगर। हमने इवन को इस्तेमाल किया। इवन का मतलब है ज्यादा। तो अहमद ने कहा ये कमरा बड़ा है, और अली ने कहा लेकिन वो रूम जो है और वो कमरा जो है ये इससे भी बड़ा है, इससे भी बड़ा है। Is this clear, guys? Now, if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि मेरी न्यू वीडियोस आपको जल्द से जल्द मिले। शुक्रिया।